Hey guys, this is Sahil and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind where we are going to do the top-down approach analysis of what all we saw in the last 1 week of August month as well as what all we can expect in the next half of August month, because since last 2 weeks, whatever analysis which we are doing, although that is accurate, but right now the markets are slightly indecisive. Those are giving slighter retracement as well. And some of the counter sectors which are like IT and pharma, those are coming up into this particular week as well, and what all we can expect in upcoming week as well as next mid of August month. That's what we are going to analyze further into this particular episode of Weekly Mastermind. So make sure you take full notes. So Weekly Mastermind for 13th of August 2023, where we will be looking up at first market index, what are the current outperforming and underperforming sectors, what are the weekly gainers and losers from Nifty 50 from last 1 week, then what are the current trending as well as tracking stocks, and what are the cup pattern stocks which we are already analyzing and tracking since last so many weeks. So market index, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, all are on the lower side, and Bank Nifty has given slightly, you can consider the momentum on the lower side, that is even greater as compared to Nifty as well as Sensex, except that mid cap is kind of flattish and India VIX is moving on the positive side, and USD INR is also moving forward on the positive side, which is like slightly sign of concern from the Indian markets. Then we have Nifty 50, where monthly is about to form like a red candle itself, complete. A red candle is what we are able to see right now. On weekly as well, since last 3 weeks it is giving continuous retracement, and on daily it has already broken down of 60 and it is below moving average itself, which is not a good sign. And as of now it has started forming lower tops and lower bottoms as well. Let's see how it performs. As of now, the overall perspective of the Indian markets, that is Nifty and even the other sectors as well, looking slightly bearish, like on the retracement side. Then we have Bank Nifty, where monthly has already swallowed the last 2 months candle. On weekly, it has given three big red candles and it has broken down of 60 as well. And on daily, it is almost around 37, 38. Upcoming week is going to decide whether Bank Nifty is going to sustain, like, although in a sideways zone, or maybe from this point of time, whether it is going to take a support and move forward on the positive side, or else this particular rally of lower tops and lower bottoms is going to sustain on the lower side itself. That's what we will be able to see in upcoming week. Then we have sector specific IT up by 1.25, auto and metal kind of flattish, like metal has also given 0.99. Then we have Bank Nifty and FMCG down. Then we have energy and pharma kind of flattish. Infra and realty, again, infra is like flattish on the lower side, and realty has given 1.48 on the lower side, which means media is up by 7.45, which is like one of the best performing sector in last 1 week. And next is IT. So these are the only two sectors which have performed really well in last 1 week. Then if we look up at the chart of all the sectors, then we have Nifty IT, where monthly has freshly broken out of moving average, although between 40-60, but it has freshly broken out of moving average, which is a very good sign. On weekly, it is almost around the resistance of 60, as well as in terms of trend line as well. Once it breaks out of this particular trend line as well as 60, then we can expect further momentum on the positive side. And this is like, you can consider the past history itself, that as and when the market retrace, like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other main sectors come up for the position of retracement, which means they are about to form lower tops and lower bottoms, or else even if they are into a sideways zone, then IT and pharma, these are the two sectors which act as a counterpart, where those are the sectors which outperforms, and other sectors maybe like those can go into sideways zone, or maybe it can go into like the worst performers as well. And on daily time frame, it is sustaining above 60, slightly consolidation, but still overall signals are looking on the positive side. Then we have Nifty Auto, monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and on a daily it is between 40-60, below moving average. As of now, completely in a consolidation zone. Then we have Nifty Metal, monthly, weekly, and daily, all are above 60, and it is forming higher tops and higher bottoms on daily time frame, which is a very good sign for metal stocks. Then we have Nifty FMCG, monthly has given very good red candle. On weekly, we are having continuous rally of red candles, and in upcoming week, whether it is going to take 60 support or not, that is going to decide whether FMCG sector is going to sustain in an uptrend in upcoming quarter, or else it is going to move further on the sideways or maybe bearish side as well. And on daily it is almost around 38, 39, which means upcoming week is going to decide whether FMCG is going to take support from this point of time and move forward on the positive side, that is forming higher tops and higher bottoms, or else it is going to sustain in a sideways or bearish zone. Then we have Nifty Energy, monthly exactly resisted to cross 60, then weekly and daily are already above 60, but as of now, monthly is the only concern, otherwise overall perspective is looking good. Then we have Nifty Pharma monthly all-time highs, weekly and daily all are above 60, and similar as I've already mentioned about Nifty, IT and Pharma. These are like the counter sectors which are against the whole trend of the market, because overall perspective as well as the sectors, like the best performing sectors from last 2 quarters, those are right now in a consolidation zone or maybe in lower top, lower bottom formation zone as well. But Pharma and IT are forming new highs. Then we have Nifty Infra monthly, weekly, and daily all are above 60. And on daily, it is almost around moving average as well as RSI 5960, which means upcoming week, once it takes support, then we can expect further momentum on infra stocks as well. Then we have Nifty Realty monthly. It has given very big red candle, like a very big body. On weekly, since last 2 weeks, it is giving big retracement. And on daily as well, it is completely between 40-60 as of now, completely avoid. Then we have Nifty Media monthly. It is about to break out of 60. Weekly and daily are already sustaining above 60, which is a very good sign. And furthermore, once it gives proper confirmation on the positive side, because on weekly we are having like a proper resistance around 2200. Once it breaks out of that zone, then we can see further momentum on media sector as well as stocks in the media sector as well. Then we have weekly best performers from Nifty 50. First is Zeal, which has given momentum by 15.60 on the upside. Then we have M&M 5.58. Then we have Titan, Tech Mahindra, Cipla. Then we have Adani Ports and Dr. Reddy. These are some of the best performers from last 1 week. Then we have weekly worst performers. Britannia Industries down by 6.01. Asian Paints down by 4.62. Then VETL, Kotak Bank, Bajaj Auto, NTPC, and Bharti Airtel. These are some of the worst performers. And as of now, worst performers have given slightly less momentum as compared to the best performers, because best performers are in the range of above 3% and the worst performers are below the range of 3%, which is a very good sign. Then we have some of the trend following stocks which are monthly, weekly, and daily above 60. One of them is Hind Copper. Monthly, it is freshly breaking out of 60 with very good volume. On weekly, since last 3 weeks, it is giving continuous rally. And on daily as well, the volume has started increasing with big green bodies, which is a good sign. Then we have India Cement monthly, freshly breaking out of 60, weekly, same confirmation. And on daily also, it has given a proper breakout after a squeeze as well as like a consolidation of almost 1.5 months with a very good volume, which is a good sign. And furthermore, once we look up at the lower time frames, then hourly and 15 minutes can give us like low risk, high reward opportunities as well. For swing trades, then we have Jindal Steel monthly, weekly, and daily all are above 60, and continuously it is giving opportunities and based on like moving average support as well as RSI 60 support. And even in last 1 week, we executed the trade, but unfortunately at that point of time, we kept the small stop loss and it hit that stop loss. And from that point of time, it started moving on the positive side, but that's okay. And even in upcoming week in our 10 days live trading challenge, once we get low risk, high reward opportunities in hourly and 15 minutes time frame, we'll be executing the trade once again. And even I want all the members of our community to ensure that you are tracking this particular stock, even though you might have understood everything in inner circle mastermind, but you have to go through this particular session as well. Then we have Bhel, where monthly and weekly are above 60, and on daily it is about to break out of 60 by taking almost moving average support, which is a good sign. And this can be like one of the best performing stock for next 1 week as well. Then we have Exide Industries monthly continuous rally of green candles since last almost 6 months, and squeeze open on the upside almost out of the band, and weekly is giving continuous rally, and on daily as well after a consolidation for so many days, like a consolidated uptrend. Right now, it has started to perform well. So let's see how it performs. And then we have some of the tracking stocks for upcoming week. First of which is BEL, where monthly, weekly are above 60, and on daily it is about to break out of 60, almost around 60, 61. If it gives a green confirmation, then we can have low risk, high reward opportunity. If it gives red candle, then we can take the stock out from our radar as well. Then we have IDFC monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and on daily it is consolidating as well as it is taking exact 60 support. Based on 60 support, we can have low risk, high reward opportunity based on system 3 advance once again. Then we have NTPC monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and on daily NTPC is taking exact 60 support. So upcoming week, once we get proper green candle, then we can have low risk, high reward opportunity on system 3 advance. Then we have Tata Power monthly, like since last 2 months, it has broken out of 60. Weekly is also consolidating with indecisive candles, and on daily complete like a sideways rally. Let's see how it performs in upcoming week. Then we have Laura's Lab from pharma sector. It took almost 40 support, and then right now it is moving forward on the positive side. Weekly has resisted to cross 60, and on daily it has taken exact 60 support. In upcoming week, if it gives proper confirmation, then we can have like a 7-star confirmation where weekly and daily are above 60, but monthly is already between 40-60. But the overall pharma sector is performing well, so maybe we can have low risk, high reward opportunities into this. Next, we have previous cup pattern stocks, which we have discussed in previous weekly masterminds. First of them is PFC, where the resolution point was around 192.5 and current market price is around 264.05. Almost our targets have got completed on this particular stock. Then we have Ashok Leyland, where the resolution point was around 169.50 and current market price is around 187.10, which is also a very good sign. Then we have Marathon, where the resolution point was around 333 and the current market price is around 370.80, which means continuous rally has already started on this particular stock. Then we have Tata Motors, where the resolution point was around 612 and current market price is around 611.80, which means the confirmation is yet to happen. And right now, since last 2 weeks, it is giving slighter retracement. So maybe we can have very low risk, high reward opportunity as well. And even if you don't know how to trade in cup pattern stocks, even I guess 2 to 3 weeks back, I actually mentioned the exact strategy where we have to exit, where we have to execute the trade, where we have to put in the entry, where we have to put in the stop loss, what are the expected target 1, 2, and 3 based on cup pattern strategy. I have already mentioned that. If you haven't yet watched, make sure you go back to that video and you can go through the strategy as well, and you can backtest thoroughly. Then we have Wellcop, where the resolution point was around 292 and current market price around 328.50. And this is almost a cup of 13 to 14 years. And this is one of the lessons which I want to share with you is that longer the cup, stronger the move, which means from this point of time, once it gives, although it has started giving breakout as well, it has started giving good momentum, we can expect further momentum in a faster manner. Why? Because since last so many years, that is 13 to 14 years, it was like sustaining below that particular cup, but right now it has broken out of that particular zone, which is a very good sign, along with very good buying volume. So that is also like icing on the cake. Then we have NCC, where the resolution point was around 141.5 and current market price around 154.90. So which is also a very good sign. And this is like the double cup, similar as of PFC, which we saw. I guess 1.5 to 2 months back, we analyzed PFC, and right now NCC is since last 2 weeks. So these are some of the cup pattern stocks, some of the trending as well as tracking stocks for upcoming week. I hope that you have got immense value as well as clarity on what are the sectors which we can primarily focus upon in upcoming week, as well as what are the sectors which we have to completely avoid in upcoming maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, or maybe for upcoming quarter as well. Because sector rotation, because since last 2 to 3 weeks, I'm mentioning that sector rotation has started taking place. And right now we have to be very cautious because since last 1 quarter, the market was completely trending, and right now it has started turning into sideways or even slightly bearish. So at this point of time, we have to shift our gears from gear 5 to maybe gear 2 or 3, so that we can reduce our speed, not to go with the fast momentum. As and when we get proper confirmations, then we can have proper like low risk, high reward trades with like 7-star and even 10-star confirmations as well. Right. So this is it for this particular video. Make sure you share your biggest takeaways below this particular video and share this particular video with your friends and loved ones. And if you are liking this particular series of weekly mastermind as well as technical Saturdays, which I usually post on Saturday and Sunday, make sure you post your biggest takeaways as well as snapshots on what all stocks you are trading from these particular sessions and what are lessons you're learning from these particular sessions as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.